Welcome to the Isle of Medellin. So let's have this mission, guys. So after the rain, try natin modagan dito, padolong. Alright. Morning, guys. So actually, it's raining. But we'll do this. Let's finish this mission for today. It's November 1. So it's the start of the month. Then 2025 is about to end na. It's 2 months from now, 2026. Starting new. Alright. Let's call this a break after our hectic schedule in October. Let's go! Cancel na guys, kinikusog ang uwan. No, nindotong na kayo, nagawas ang adlaw. However, the rain is pouring so hard. Though the clouds is not that dark naman ka. Tanawas guys. Hey, so next time. So ironic guys. On the other side, it rained so hard. Kita ka to, nag-jacket. Kaya water yan. Sunrise is up. Sun is up. Let's go!
Nindot gud dagan-dagan dere oh. Awa guys. Going to Cebu, province, city, whatever. Going down north. Look at that view.
Surrounded by sugar canes. Golden sun. It's not running nor jogging, but it's walking. Right. Nakuman ka ako ng baboy, inom soft drinks. Muna yung sulta. Ito balik of court. Easy. Stay with me.